Hello, welcome. Today we will be making the famous dollar sign braid, money braid, whatever you call it. And in the course of the tutorial, you're going to see how I created this. Also included in this video, I got a clip of another way you can make it, and also how a child rocked his. So like, it's fun. You're not only going to see how I made mine, you will see other ways you can make it also, and just a hairstyle idea of how you can make it for children. So I know you're going to like this video, so you can just go ahead and give it a thumbs up because I have a good feeling about this. Also, please do not skip the ads if you can. That's the only way we can make money from the video. And please have fun with this. I used two stripes in the middle. You've seen some of the pictures I inserted, they used one stripe. I made the two loose tails of the braid to be beaded. You can include it into the S and into like the S part of the dollar sign, and have just one braid dangling there. You can have no braid dangling there. You can braid your S and add it into like an all back hairstyle. Like, do whatever you want, just have fun with this is just to show you the basics of how to make a money braid, and I hope you pick two or more things, important things from this video. Enjoy.